Yay!
Let me show her. That's not right. Right here.
Oh, this is how you color Daddy. Can you color me a house?
Can I build you a house?
Okay. No, color me.
Color you a house? Just a minute.
Ah!
Don't complicate it.
Ah! This is how you drop it. You get your slime.
Push, push.
This guy. Which guy?
Push.
I'm turning it.